Welcome! This video will guide you through the instructions for using the African Swine Fever Virus Antigen Rapid Kit. First, open the product box and check that all components are included. To start the test, place the ASFV Antigen Rapid Test device on a flat surface. Using the capillary tube, collect 20 microliters of whole blood up to the black line. Next, add the collected blood into the sample hole of the test device. Wait 1 to 3 minutes, then add 3 drops of the dilution buffer into the same sample hole. Read the result at 15 minutes after dropping. Now, let's see how to interpret the results. If colored bands appear at both the C line and the T line, the test shows the sample is African swine fever positive. If a colored band appears only at the C line, the test is African swine fever negative. If no colored band appears at the C line, regardless of the T line, the test is invalid. You must repeat the test using a new device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us by email.